Turning your house into a home requires lots of thought and planning with regard to decoration. You need to make detailed planning and prepare the necessary budget to decorate a new house or redecorate an existing one. As you consider factors such as budget and size, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed and lose sight of your vision. But building your dream home means more than figuring out logistics, it's about making your space friendly for you and your family. In order to make your home friendly enough, you need to consider and choose the best home decor accessories which will allow your personality to shine and keep you excited to walk through the front door. There are several home decor essentials which are also functional at the same time. These include wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There are several wood furniture types you can use to furnish and decorate your house. These start from the small tabletop and wall-mounted pieces to large furniture which occupy a large floor space. One such a piece furniture is a sofa set. No home is complete without an inviting sofa for relaxing, snuggling up with family, or reading a book. Your ideal sofa should be sturdy and last through relocation or renovations. It should also be of a color that matches the rest of your interior. When choosing your inviting sofa, you should consider the size of your space. A couch that juts from the living room into the kitchen, since it's too long, can stick out like a sore thumb. That means it goes against the immersive experience you're striving to create. Above all, though, your couch should be comfy. If you can spend hours on it watching movies and eating popcorn with your family and friends, you've set the right mood. A wooden wall art is another piece of home decor item. Think of an empty wall as a blank canvas, but instead of painting it, try putting up some beautiful wall art. You can get as creative as you want with your wall decor. After all, wall art is much more than just framed paintings. Framed pictures, illustrations, signs, decals, or tapestries are all on the table, and the wall. Another great option for wall art is a laser light projector, which will turn any empty wall into a mesmerizing galaxy in just seconds. With just a few taps on your smartphone, your walls will glow with colorful twinkling stars and soft floating clouds. You might never look at your room the same way again. Wooden plant stands or wooden vases are another portion of the wooden furniture and wooden decorative pieces you can use to decorate your home or office. Wood furniture and decorative pieces have several advantages over other materials such as plastics or metals. There are numerous types of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for you to choose from for your next home decor venture. You can bring the serenity of nature into your home with greenery. Whether you prefer artificial plants or the real deal, greenery can freshen up your space, boost your mood, and add a splash of color. Once you have your favorite plant or bouquet of flowers, Find a chic, classy vase that will keep your greenery safe and thriving. Vases and plants are always in style, so you'll never have to worry about these home decor essentials feeling dated. You should fill your space with home decor that elevates its joy and comfort. The way your home decor looks and feels can make all the difference to you, your family, and your guests. Showcase your personality and create a welcoming environment with the below decorating ideas. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.